was like a tradition that we have when we start shooting feature film. Yeah, so I adjusted very quickly to the different cultural nuances, but I would say that shooting at a more international level made me realize that there's a lot more room to grow as a director, and I really embraced it.
So films like Breaking Ice, films like Popeye give us the idea that we can make international stories, but just because it is not set in Singapore, the stories are still local in the sense that in a local way.